So I really just wanted to enjoy the rest of my vacation so I can come back next week and talk about stocks other than Nikola. Talk about companies that are actually making money like Meta, Google, and stuff like that. But I mean, the news just keeps on pouring in. Kind of like, I was going to say a waterfall, but at this point, it's kind of like lava. Nikola seeks to double shares to keep business going. Now, I made a few videos about Nikola talking about its chances of survival, and I said that, I mean, even just to get through this year, just to pay the operating expenses, it's going to have to sell more shares, take out more debt, stuff like that. Because, yeah, it is. I mean, just take a look at the news from February, where it had to file a going concern saying that it has a short financial underway. This was in February. Well, the news just came in today, where financially struggling Nikola Corp will ask its shareholders in June to double to 1.6 billion the company's authorized shares. Now this isn't to pay the operating expenses. This is just to pay back loans. The electric truck and hydrogen makers said it needed to pay hedge fund loans. And there are two proposals according to this article from FreightWaves. Proposal 2, basically they need to double the shares, in order to pay off debt. And then there's a proposal 3, which, assuming proposal 2 passes, it would then continue to issue new shares to pay off some more debt. And they said it right here. If proposal 2 fails, proposal 3 doesn't matter because it doesn't have the money to pay the interest or the principal or anything like that. And we're not even talking about the operating expenses that are going to happen this year. And you think the situation is bad with this that's going on right now, and then, Nikola potentially facing share dilution from the NASDAQ, so that's going to be coming along. It gets worse. Russell and 2 other directors will retire. So 3 directors from the board of directors from Nikola are calling it quits, which paints a very optimistic view of the situation. Nikola, the whole high risk, high reward thing is becoming a lot more risk and a lot less reward. Now, will proposal 2 pass or not? Well, Russell still retains large voting power, but now that he's retiring from the board, we're not 100% sure how this guy's going to vote. Maybe he's ready to call it quits with the whole Nikola thing. And maybe, who knows, maybe that's the best thing, maybe that's not the best thing. And even if they get through all this, we still have to deal with the matter that, as someone in the comments in my last video pointed out, yeah, the startup booked a pretty good amount of revenue, but the cost of those sales was more than 7 times the revenue generated. So all this stuff, even if it gets if these proposals get approved and stuff, this just prolongs the inevitable. Nikola has got to do something about this. And yeah, I think the writing, we don't know. I think the writing might be on the wall here. But anyways, take care, have a great day, and eat your vegetables.